Let's talk about irrigation repair and what you can expect out of the repair process. When your irrigation is running properly, it's great. But there are times where a head is going to get broken. And when you have a geyser shooting out of your yard, it's an easy fix. It's easy to identify where the problem is, go in and fix it. Similar to like if you took your car to a mechanic shop because you have a flat tire, it's easy for them to go, hey, we just have to repair a tire. That's an easy thing to determine how much it will cost to fix. But there are times where an irrigation system has sat not working for a very long time. It's like saying, hey, I have a car that's been sitting in the woods for the last 20 years. What's it going to cost to get that running again? You have no idea. You have absolutely no idea what is wrong with this car, and it is impossible to say what will be required to get that car running again. It's the same thing with your irrigation system. When we go to troubleshoot a system, we simply don't know what we're always going to be getting into. There are times where whoever installed it laid everything out very nicely. There are other times where it's a little bit more of a mess. There's also an electrical component to it. When you have a geyser shooting out of your yard, it's very easy to identify where that problem is. But when you have an electrical issue, you just don't know where that problem is going to be. We have to deal with all kinds of different wires that are going all kinds of different places that go underground, and we don't know if did this wire get struck by lightning and fried? Did a varmint chew on it? What happened to this wire? Where is the problem? Those are some of the challenges that we face. Other things that we face, there are times where a system has been laid out where valves are going throughout the yard. Now notice the footprints here, notice the size of this. There are times where we've gone to an irrigation repair job and someone goes, well, I don't know where that valve is, but I guess it's out there somewhere. And we have absolutely no idea where somewhere for that valve is going to be located. We do have different tools and systems that we can use to find it, but those things take time. I liken irrigation repair to similar to exploratory surgery. If you can imagine an operating room where you have a doctor that's supported by nurses. The doctor is doing a lot of the work, and the doctor is thinking. The doctor is examining and analyzing and determining what the next step is. And while the doctor is doing that, a lot of times the nurses are going to be standing there doing nothing. It's not that these people don't have a great work ethic. It's not that they're lazy. They're simply waiting for directions of what to do next. And it's the same thing with our crew. We'll have a leader that's thinking and troubleshooting. But there are times when our workers are going to be standing there, not because they're lazy, they're just waiting for directions. When we have a crew on site, our current 2025 labor rate is $95 per labor hour. That means for each guy in the field, this is what we're charging for their time. Now, they do not put all that money in their pocket. This is some of the places that this money goes to pay for, and it's what is required to sustain a business. It's the amount of money, the most basic minimal amount of money necessary to keep a business up and running. Hopefully this lays some groundwork for what we need to do in irrigation repair and how charges are determined. Thank you so much for considering Creative Habitats Landscaping.